Reddit short scary stories. The doorbell tape. Last night my doorbell rang at 3:12 a.m. I checked the doorbell cam from my phone. There was someone standing on the porch, still silent. But it was me, not a look-alike, me in pajamas, asleep. I scrubbed the footage back. Same thing. Me breathing but never moving. Then the doorbell rang again. I rushed to the window. No one outside, but the camera offline. This morning I woke up to find my front door wide open and mud smeared across my sheets. But I never left my room, and the version of me outside never blinked. Now, every time my doorbell rings, I hesitate.